Hey you guys, good morning. It's Jan 34 tuning in. So are we ready for our 2018 Blizzard Storm? Yes we are. Yes we are. We are. So we have some goals for 2018. And so this morning, so far, hey you guys. So say good morning, Lee.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are currently going to school. Second day of the blizzard storm
All the
down here in New York City. So we're tuning in, saying hello, and Happy New Year's. Say Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's.
They can't hear you under all those layers.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. So, you want to talk about our goals for this year, huh, Leander?
Yeah.
Yeah. Currently going to school. My goals for 2018. I know I haven't been tuning in with you guys, but I just been kind of like laid back and just trying to like take everything in and just trying to recuperate and say to myself, everyone could go and sit on this finger, twirl it, stick it where the sun doesn't shine. And 2018, it is my year. Not only my year, but my children's year. So for those of you that don't know, I have 4 children. In 2018, I'm going to grab it by the you know what. I want to learn how to drive. That's one of my goals. I want to go back to school. I would love for my channel to grow. So please subscribe, tune in, if I can show you guys what I have in store. And we are going to move as well. I would love to move to LA, California. I'm still not sure, so undecided. We used to live down in Florida, but watch it, Papa. We used to live down in Florida. I'm not sure we're going back home to Florida, but I would love to move to LA. That is one of my dreams. Sorry, you guys. That is one of my dreams. What is your dreams for this year? He is going to graduate. We are so excited for that. So excited.
Yeah, 6 more.
Ah.
6 more.
What, 6 more months?
Yeah.
6 more months.
No,
He is going to be graduating 5th grade. So yeah. One of my YouTuber family members that is currently on my YouTube channel, I would like to say congratulations to 4,000 Ace family. The Ace family made 4,000 on New Year's Day, I believe it was. Ooh, child.
Nose.
Yeah. Quite a while. Last time I did exercise, like I walk a lot, but I haven't done exercise like cardio, hardcore exercise. I used to do lots of how do you call that, Zumba. And ever since I was very young, I always been hip hop, salsa dance. So I was in a lot of different dancing classes. So I always had that within me to do a lot of exercise and stay fit. Not only that, in my family, so we always had that like hardcore military, based mindset. So I was always doing exercise and cardio, running tracks. I used to run tracks when I was in what grade I was in? I think I was in 6th grade. Yes, becoming a bigger and better person with myself, to love myself even more, and to show myself that I am a beautiful person, that I am a good person, and not to listen to those who have so much negativity towards me. What else? You guys, if you guys go onto my page, I believe it's on my playlist. I'm still trying to figure out how to work my YouTube channel, but I believe it's on my playlist. I have this motivational video that I play every morning, every afternoon, and every evening. And that motivates me so much, you guys, so much. So you guys can just go on and click on that video and check it out. Hopefully it'll help you to motivate you, even if you feel that you're like crashing. You guys, that it just like turned on a light bulb up there, and it made a whole lot of like, it just, this perspective for that video is awesome. Let's just say it's just awesome. So I shared it with a couple of people on my Facebook, people that I know that are going through hard times and needed a uplift. So if you guys have someone out there or for yourself, click on that video. I will be posting some more videos as well like that and putting it on my playlist just to help myself and help others as well. What else?
Why are you up so early? That is the quickest tell you are not a winning player.
Whatever it is, you're bold enough, you're big enough to dream. If you are intentional and deliberate about it. Now, there's some aspects of it that are going to be organic, but if you are intentional and deliberate, if you build it on Monday, if you build it on Tuesday, if you build it on Wednesday, I want you to understand that it's not going to happen by luck. Productivity is always intentional and deliberate. And on Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, no luck, guys. Every single day, if you do a little, you're going to wake up one day and your dreams are going to be a reality. You can't just say you want it. You can't watch the video and say, I want it as bad as I want to breathe. It's cute to say it. But when it's showtime, when the sun comes up, you got all the books, you got all the tapes, you got all the access. Now it's time to hunt. And what separates you from everybody else is that when it's time to hunt, you're ready to hunt. Everybody's got lions on their profiles. Everybody talks positive about themselves. Everybody talks like you're a beast. You dress like you're a beast. You got the cards like a beast. But then when it's time to do what beasts do, you back up.
Why is it so hard to do the little things that would improve my life? The way that our minds are designed is our minds are designed to stop you at all costs from doing anything that might hurt you. There are so many people in the world, and you may be watching this right now, and you have these incredible ideas, and what you think is missing is motivation. And that's not true. Because the way that our minds are wired, and the fact about human beings is that we are not designed to do things that are uncomfortable or scary or difficult. Our brains are designed to protect us from those things because our brains are trying to keep us alive. And in order to change, in order to build a business, in order to be the best parent, the best spouse, to do all those things that you know you want to do with your life, with your work, with your dreams, you're going to have to do things that are difficult, uncertain, or scary, which sets up this problem for all of us.
The one thing we have in this world, we can't control the events, but we can choose what to focus on, we can choose what things mean, and we can choose what to do. Those three choices, those three decisions really control our life.
You can always make a decision. That's always in your control. Staying with somebody that treats you like garbage is a decision. It is. Staying at a job that you hate is a decision. Staying in the body that you are not proud of is a decision. Is it going to be easy? No, it's not going to be easy to change. It's simple. It's your job to push yourself.
It's not the smartest people who achieve success. It's the people who procrastinate less, make fewer excuses, as they take actions every day towards the goals that they want to achieve. Indecision is the thief of opportunity. Indecision means the door is still closed. Indecision means the opportunity waits. Indecision means what could be is postponed or may never be. If you want to be successful in anything in life, never leave the sight of setting a goal without doing something that commits you to fulfillment.
The next morning, the alarm goes off, and I pretended NASA was there. It's the stupidest story. I literally went 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I counted out loud, and then I stood up. And I'll never forget standing there in my bedroom. It was dark. It was cold. It was winter in Boston. And for the first time in 3 months, I had beaten my habit of hitting the snooze button. There were moments all day long, just like that 5-second moment in bed, where I knew knowledge what I should do. And if I didn't move within 5 seconds, my brain would step in and talk me out of it. Every human being has a 5-second window, might even be shorter for you. You have about a 5-second window in which you can move from idea to action before your brain kicks into full gear and sabotages any change in behavior.
Your life is what you think it should be. That's exactly what you are right now. You are what you thought you should be. And if you don't like who you are, you gotta change what you think you should be. What you think is more important than what you do. And so if you want to change, you gotta work on this attitude bit. Decide, commit, act, succeed.
To be in a better place. Yes, yes we are. I love you guys. Thank you again. Stay strong. Be safe. Peace and blessings. I love you guys. See you later.